Hi, it's Sue from Calm Family Dog Training, and I'm here with King, and we're working on some doorbell drills. So he is on place, and I'm gonna close the door. Good, good. So we start with just knocking on the door, coming back in. Good. And we're gonna try some doorbell drills and staying out a little longer. So good, King, good. And then we try some this way. Pretend someone's here. Hey, how you doing? Oh, cute deer over there. I don't know if you can see. Good, good, look at you. Go back to King, good. Well done. He's doing a great job on practicing door skills. Good boy, yeah. Thanks for checking in.